Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.3 word problems. Question number 1. Given that 65,000 students were present in a competitive exam, if 8 by 25 of them means this much. 8 by 25 of 65,000 are boys and we have to find the number of girls present in the exam. If we know the total students and if we know the number of boys, what is the number of boys? 8 by 25 of this much money. Of means we will multiply this to, we will get the number of boys. And after that, from this total student, we will subtract the number of boys to get the number of girls. You have to solve it like this. First question. First of all, you will write number of students present in a competitive exam is equal to 65,000. And number of boys we know 8 by 25 of 65,000. So you can just cancel out this 5 with 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 8 into 13 divided by 5. And if you will cancel it with the table of 5, we will get 20800. This is the number of boys. Now number of girls. Therefore, number of girls is equal to this total student minus number of boys. Okay. Now next question. Rahul bought a mobile and paid 3 by 4th of cost price in cash. Means he bought a mobile but in cash he has paid only 3 by 4th of the cost price. And he decided to pay the rest of the money in 8 monthly installment of rupees 600 each. Means monthly installment he will pay rest of the money of 600 each month. Okay, find the cost price of the mobile. So we don't know the cost price of the mobile, so we will let the cost price of the mobile be X here. Let the cost price of mobile be X. Okay, after that we know what is the money paid. Money paid in cash is 3 by 4th of cost price. So 3 by 4 of X, that is 3 into X, 3X by 4. And what is the rest of the money? We know total cost price is this and money paid is this. So this minus this, 3X minus 3X by 4. Take the LCM of the denominator. We will get 4X minus 3X is equal to 4X minus 3X will be equal to 1X. Okay, 1X by 4. This is the amount is remaining to pay now. Okay, and he want to pay this amount in 8 monthly installment. So amount of monthly installment for each month will be this much money is remaining. We will divide this by 8 so that we will pay that equal amount each month. Okay, in 8 monthly installment. So X by 4 divided by 8. So we will, there is nothing in the down, so we will let it 1 multiply. This divide will change into multiply. It will become reciprocal. 1 by 8. So X into 1, 1X, 4 8s are 32. This is the amount he will pay each month. Okay, to clear his complete cost price. So this is the amount of each month and according to question each month amount is given, that is 600. So we can equate it. So you can write this is equal to this. Now X value we have to find. So this is in divide. It will go this side. It will come in multiply. So 600 into 32. So we will get 6. If you will multiply it, we will get 19200 rupees 109200. Therefore cost of mobile 19,200. Okay, this is 19,200. So cost of mobile is equal to rupees 19,200. Got it? Now question number 3. A shopkeeper has 120 kg of rice. He has this much rice and in the first 4 week of month he sells this and this kg respectively. Means first week he sell this much rice, second week he sell this much rice, similarly third week and fourth week he has sold these rice. So what is the total amount of rice he sold? If we will add this 4, we will get it. Find the quantity of rice remaining after the end of 4 months. So what is the remaining quantity of rice you have to find after selling these rice from this. This is the total. Okay. So we will write total rice is equal to 120 kg and shopkeeper sells the rice in 4 weeks is equal to this plus this plus this plus this kg. So let's add it. First change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2 ja 6, 60 plus 1 61 by 3. 10 5 ja 50 plus 1 51 by 3. 30 plus 1 31 by 3 and 100 25 4 ja 100 plus 3 103 by 4 whole kg you can write together here out of bracket. Now we will take the LCM of the denominator. If you will take the LCM we will get 60. I have explained you this method how to add fractional number. So this will remain in its own place and we will divide this and this. 60 divided by 3 we will get 20. So we will multiply here 20. Now this plus sign will be here only. Now 51 will be in its own place. We will multiply this first. We will divide this 5. 60 divided by 5 will be equal to what? 12. So we will multiply here with 12. Now plus sign will be here only. 31 will be in its own place. Multiply with this divided by this. We will get here 30. Now again plus 103 into 4 will divide 60. We will get 15. Now multiply this 2. We will get this 2. We will get this. And this 2 if you will multiply and this 2 we will get this. Now we will add all these 4 numbers. We will get 4307 by 60. You can change this into mixed fraction. But right now no need to change it into mixed fraction because this is not the answer. We have to calculate now remaining quantity of rice. So up to here only you have to do. Now remaining rice is equal to total rice minus this much. Sold amount of rice 4307. So 120 kg minus 4307. I have written it in mixed fraction. You can write it directly 4307 divided by 60. No need to write in mixed fraction now. Okay. Now you will take the LCM of the denominator. We will get 60 only. Now what this divided by this we will get 60. 60 into 120 7200. And 60 divided by 60 we will get 1. 4307 into 1 we will get 4307. Now subtract it we will get this. Now you will change now answer into the mixed fraction like this. After dividing you will get this. So this much kg rice is left out rice. Now question number 4. Seema weighs 66 kg. Rahul's weight is 2 by 3 of Seema. So 2 by 3 of Seema. So of means into 66 kg we will get Rahul's weight also. And also we have to find the difference between the weight of Seema and Rahul. So simple question it is. Weight of Seema is equal to 66 kg and Rahul's weight is 2 by 3 of Seema. So we will write 2 by 3 of means into and Seema weight is 66 kg. So write here 66 kg. 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6. It will get cancelled. Now 22 2 ja 44 kg is the weight of Rahul. Now we have to find the difference of their weight. Okay, difference between Rahul's and Seema. So Seema's weight is 66 kg, Rahul is 44 kg. Difference between is 22 kg. Okay. Question number 5. Tia and Simran went for lunch and paid 8 by 11 and 3 by 11 respectively of the bill. Of the total bill, Tia paid 8 by 11 of total bill and Simran paid 3 by 11 of the total bill. And total bill is also given 418. How much did each of them spend? Very simple. 8 by 11 of 418. Tia's bill we will find out and 3 by 11 of again 418. Okay, so total bill of the lunch is equal to 418. Tia paid the money 8 by 11 of total bill. So if you will cancel 11 3 ja 33, 11 8 ja 88. And now 38 into 8 304. This is the amount paid by Tia. Now Simran paid the money 3 by 11 of total bill 418. So 11 3 ja 33, 11 8 ja 88. Now 38 into 3 we will get 114 rupees. This much amount is paid by Simran of the total bill and this much amount is paid by Tia of the total bill. Okay. Now we have some more question like question number 6, 7, 8. You have to try these 3 questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, but you have to try it first. After that, you have to complete your mental maths and practice time also. This is also important exercise for your practice. This is your practice exercise. Next day we will start chapter 3 decimals. Okay, till then complete it, all the work. Any doubt, ask me in the group in this question 6, 7, 8. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay.